Hi, I'm Surya, CEO and co-founder of Skill-Lync. Over the last 8 years, we have helped transform the careers of over 3,500 engineers, providing them with skills they need to thrive in core engineering job role. Today, I'm excited to introduce to an opportunity that could be a game changer for your career, the Founders Scholarship. We know that India produces over 1 million engineers every year, but many find it difficult to secure the right career opportunities. At Skill-Lync, we focus on equipping you with the practical skills and hands-on experience that top companies are looking for. As part of our mission to empower engineers, we are offering the Founders Scholarship. Open to the first 100 registrants, this scholarship gives you up to 35% off, which is up to 50,000 rupees on our premium courses. This is designed to make you job ready in just 6 months. Whether you are interested in mechanical, electrical, civil or more, our courses offer you the tools you need to succeed. And here's where it gets even better. Every student who qualifies for this scholarship will also get a personalized career plan. This is not just another consultation, it's a one-on-one session with an industry expert who will work with you to create a custom roadmap for your career success. With our personalized career plan, you will gain first, strategic career plan. You can learn the exact steps you need to take to advance in an OEM or a Tier 1 engineering role. Second, tailored guidance. You can get personalized advice from industry experts working at leading companies. Third, exclusive networking. Connect with industry insiders to build a network that will boost your career. This opportunity is limited to only the first 100 enrollments, and spots are filling up quickly. Don't miss your chance to get hands-on industry experience, strategic career planning, and the kind of mentorship that can transform your future. At Skill-Lync, we are committed to not just teaching you theory, but ensuring that you are industry ready from day one. So don't wait. Apply now for the Founder Scholarship and take the first step towards building a career of your dreams. Apply now and be among the first 100 to benefit from this incredible opportunity. Thank you so much.